back again on a response to, let me see, ChristopOW, O-W. He requests that I say burp, belch, and blarf a few times. And he also wants me to take a challenge of how many long burps I can fit into a minute. So to start out, I'll start out with burp.
Burp.
And then belch.
Belch.
And blarf.
Blarf.
You guys want to hear him again?
Burp, belch, blarf.
I don't know where he got him. He just did. So now, I have my stopwatch. Maybe a little difficult to see, but I'm going to set it for a minute. I swear this is fair. Ah.
My digestive system didn't always behave. Whatever I did,
Okay, so we have 1 minute. If you guys can see that, one right there, 1 minute. Okay, here we go. Hold on, excuse me, I'm in the middle of a video. Okay, ready? And hold on, I'm in the middle of recording a video. Yeah? Excuse me, New Year's Eve. Yeah?
You hear me?
Yeah?
I want you to bed by 11.
Okay. New Year's Eve. Planning parties ready to go. Excuse me, okay? So, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Time's up. Okay, there you guys are. Talk to you next time.